I'm going to read a poem from Blinding Light, which is my first collection of poetry published by Grayson Press in West Hartford. And this is a braided narrative. It actually braids together poems about motherhood with poems about my having become a Jehovah's Witness as a child, and a meditation about Mary, Jesus' mother. So this poem is called Swans and Hearts, and if I could say I had a kind of talisman poem that I read again and again, this would probably be it. So, Swans and Hearts. At 20, married with a baby girl, my mother stared down days like furrows deep as tractor ruts in mud. She picked up needles, grew expert at knitting Fair Isle collars, argyle socks, sweaters with moose heads front and back, mohair afghans yellow as an egg yolk. She wrapped us up in deep blue sweaters, knit through hours, waiting for my dad to come back home, knit through broken promises, knit waiting for doctors, calculating how many stitches she had left. My daughter asked for a sweater when she turned 5. She wanted swans and hearts. I, mother of the quick fix, the good enough, always sure the inside wouldn't show, was stumped. Swans and hearts would take some planning. I found my mother's needles in her knitting bag, faded stripes of silk with narrow pockets sewn inside. Did I have it in me? The knowledge of the fingers, which way to wrap the yarn, how to transfer stitches, cast on, cast off. They say it's based on instinct, like mothering, no need for Dr. Spock. I feared I had the instincts of a coat rack. I picked bright pink with white swans on a turquoise sea, coaxed out a pattern, calculated colors, knit one row at a time. The swans and hearts began to grow, separated on the right side, but underneath, linked by strands of pink.